a dream of centuries, the genesis of the Three Gorges Dam. This monumental project has roots that stretch back through the annals of history. The Yangtze River, China's longest, has always been both a blessing and a curse. Its vast waters have shaped the land and the lives of those who dwell along its banks. Its fertile basin nurtured ancient civilizations, providing sustenance and a means of transport. The river was a lifeline, fostering growth and prosperity, but its floods brought devastation for centuries. Entire communities were often swept away, and the damage was incalculable. The idea to harness the river's power is not new. Visionaries and engineers have long dreamed of taming the Yangtze's might. Sun Yat-sen, the father of modern China, first proposed a dam in 1919. His foresight was remarkable, envisioning a future where the river's power could be controlled. His vision was ambitious, to control the floods and generate electricity. He saw the potential for the river to transform the nation. However, China lacked the resources for such a massive project. The country was not yet ready to undertake such a colossal endeavor. Decades passed and the dream remained dormant. The river continued its course, unchanged and untamed. It wasn't until the 1990s, with China's economic boom, that the Three Gorges Dam project became a reality. The nation's newfound wealth and technological advancements made it possible. The government saw it as a symbol of national pride and progress. It was more than just a dam, it was a testament to China's growing power and ambition. Construction began in 1994. A testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. The project would become one of the most significant engineering feats in history. A colossus of concrete engineering the impossible, a marvel of modern construction. The scale of the Three Gorges Dam is staggering. A true testament to human ambition, it stretches over 1.3 miles across the Yangtze River, an immense barrier against the flow of nature. The dam stands over 600 feet tall, a concrete giant visible from space dominating the landscape. Building this megastructure was a Herculean task, requiring immense effort and coordination. It required over 27 million cubic meters of concrete, a staggering amount. That's enough to build 10 replicas of the Great Pyramid of Giza, an astonishing comparison. Over 100,000 workers toiled for years in challenging conditions. Facing numerous obstacles, they excavated millions of tons of earth and rock, reshaping the landscape. They poured concrete non-stop, creating the largest hydroelectric dam in the world, a feat of continuous effort. The project pushed the limits of engineering and construction technology, setting new standards. The Three Gorges Dam stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination, a symbol of what we can achieve. Taming the Yangtze flood control and power generation. The Three Gorges Dam stands as a monumental achievement in modern engineering. The Three Gorges Dam had two primary objectives, both crucial for the region's development and safety. The first was to control the devastating floods of the Yangtze River, which have plagued the area for centuries. For centuries, these floods claimed countless lives and caused widespread damage, affecting millions of people and their livelihoods. The dam's reservoir acts as a giant bathtub, holding back excess water during the rainy season, effectively managing the water flow. This has significantly reduced the risk of downstream flooding, providing a sense of security to the communities. Millions of people living along the Yangtze are now safer, with their homes and farmlands protected from the once frequent floods. The second objective was to generate clean hydroelectric power, a sustainable energy source for the future. The dam's 32 turbines can generate a staggering amount of electricity, enough to power entire cities. It's equivalent to the output of 18 nuclear power plants, showcasing its immense capacity. This clean energy has helped reduce China's reliance on coal, a major contributor to air pollution. It has also decreased air pollution in many cities, leading to healthier living conditions for millions of residents. Nature's toll, the environmental price of progress. The construction of the Three Gorges Dam came at a cost. The dam's reservoir flooded a vast area, forever altering the landscape. Over 1,300 archaeological and historical sites were submerged. The impact on the region's biodiversity was significant. The dam disrupted the natural flow of the Yangtze River. This affected fish migration patterns and endangered several aquatic species. The Yangtze River dolphin, once a common sight, is now critically endangered. The dam also trapped sediment which normally flowed downstream, nourishing the ecosystem. This has led to erosion and other environmental problems. Section 5. Uprooted lives, the human cost of development. The construction of the Three Gorges Dam necessitated the relocation of over 1.3 million people. Entire towns and villages disappeared beneath the rising waters of the reservoir. This mass displacement caused widespread social and economic upheaval. Many relocated residents had to adapt to new livelihoods and unfamiliar surroundings. They faced challenges in rebuilding their lives. The dam's construction also raised concerns about the loss of cultural heritage. Ancient villages, temples and historical sites vanished beneath the water. The human cost of the Three Gorges Dam remains a sensitive and complex issue. Section 6. Voices of dissent, controversy, and the Three Gorges Dam. The Three Gorges Dam project was not without its critics. From the beginning, environmentalists, scientists, and human rights groups voiced concerns. They warned about the potential ecological and social consequences. Critics argued that the dam's benefits were outweighed by the risks. They pointed to the displacement of millions of people. They highlighted the environmental damage and the potential for future disasters. The Chinese government defended the project, arguing that it was essential for flood control and economic development. The debate surrounding the Three Gorges Dam continues to this day. Section 7. A legacy of change, the dam's impact on China, the Three Gorges. Dam has undoubtedly transformed China. It has provided clean energy to millions of people and boosted the country's economy. The dam has also contributed to flood control, saving lives and property. However, the project has also left an indelible mark on the environment and the lives of millions. The dam's legacy is complex and multifaceted. It represents both the achievements and the challenges of China's rapid development. It serves as a reminder that progress often comes at a cost. The Three Gorges Dam will continue to shape China's future for generations to come. Section 8. Global implications, the world watches and learns. The Three Gorges Dam is not just a Chinese story, it is a global story. The dam's construction captured the world's attention. It sparked international debate about the ethics and sustainability of large-scale infrastructure projects. The lessons learned from the Three Gorges Dam have informed the planning and execution of similar projects worldwide. Countries are now more aware of the potential environmental and social impacts of such mega dams. The Three Gorges Dam serves as a cautionary tale and a catalyst for more sustainable development practices. Section 9. Weighing the scales, benefits versus consequences. The Three Gorges Dam presents us with a complex dilemma. On one hand, it has brought undeniable benefits to China. It has provided clean energy, controlled floods, and boosted the economy. On the other hand, it has come at a significant environmental and social cost. The dam has displaced millions of people, flooded vast areas of land, and disrupted the ecosystem. Weighing the benefits against the consequences is a challenging task. There is no easy answer. The Three Gorges Dam forces us to confront the trade-offs inherent in large-scale development projects. Section 10. The future of the Yangtze, a river forever changed. The Yangtze River, once a wild and untamed force of nature, is now forever altered. The Three Gorges Dam stands as a symbol of human ambition and its impact on the natural world. The river's future is inextricably linked to the dam. The challenge now is to manage the dam in a way that balances the needs of people and the environment. China is implementing measures to mitigate the dam's negative impacts. These include fish passage systems and sediment management strategies. The lessons learned from the Three Gorges Dam will continue to shape our relationship with the Yangtze River for generations.